In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crush Google Ads as a beginner. This guide is designed to give you a straightforward pathway to set up and optimize your Google Ads campaigns effectively, even if you're just starting out and might feel a little overwhelmed by the process. First, you'll want to navigate to the Google Ads homepage. You can do this by typing ads.google.com into your browser's address bar. Once you are there, you'll see a clear invitation to get started with online advertising. Whether your goal is to attract customers or boost sales, this page is your starting point for entering the world of Google Ads. Next, you'll look for the Sign In button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will take you to the login page where you need to enter your Google account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll be prompted to create one, which is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. Remember, having a Google account is essential for accessing Google Ads, as it links all your data and campaigns in one place. Once you've signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google Ads homepage. From here, you'll want to navigate to the section titled Campaign. This is your hub for managing current advertising campaigns and setting up new ones. On the main dashboard, you'll see the option to create a new campaign. Don't be intimidated by the options here. Google Ads offers tools to guide you through the process step by step. When you're in the campaign section, your next move is to focus on keywords. Clicking on keywords will open up a new panel where you can manage the key terms that trigger your ads to appear. Keywords are crucial since they determine when and where your ads will be shown based on the user's search queries. Choosing the right keywords is essential for ensuring your ads reach the audience that's most relevant to your business. After this, you'll want to conduct some keyword research. This step involves using Google's tools to find keywords that are most relevant to your business goals. You'll want to look for keywords with a good combination of search volume and relevance to your products or services. Lower competition keywords can also be a great way to get more exposure without spending too much. Remember, effective keyword research can significantly improve the performance of your Google Ads. And there you have it, a quick guide to getting started with Google Ads as a beginner. With practice and careful attention to details, you'll find that Google Ads can be a powerful tool for driving traffic and generating sales. Keep testing, optimizing, and learning from your campaigns, and you'll surely see success. Thanks for watching, and happy advertising.